There are two tricks I like to do with wave doubler, and both of them can be replaced easily if you have some toys. Now, the first trick is I insert Doubler2 in a guitar and I lower down the high end instead of boosting it by how it comes by default, and then I add the effect slowly. This works great with electric guitars, but I have an acoustic guitar and I wanted to show you. Now, the replacement trick is to create an auxiliary track, and let's move the send to 0 dB and insert Sound Toys Micro Shift. And we're going to leave it in the default. By the way, the new update is free and it allows to resize Sound Toys plugins. We're going to leave it in the default settings. We are going to insert an equalizer, just about any equalizer. We're going to remove about 6 dBs of high shelving filter, and that's it. Then we add the effect slowly. It's a different flavor, but it works great. And it does the trick, which is expanding the stereo, giving more stereo information and a little bit of chorusing. That's why I say it sounds great on electric guitars. Now, the second trick I do it in claps, and I have explained it a couple of times in my videos. What I do is I insert Doubler2 in the default setting, and I lower 1 octave for the sides. And let's hear. Now, the replacement trick is to involve creating an auxiliary track. In this case, I want to add it to the tracks, the clap tracks directly, instead of as opposed to adding it to the group. And I want to copy to send to make sure the faders of the sends are the same as the console. And we're going to route that to the group, that auxiliary to the group. Now we're going to insert microshift again in the default position. We're going to insert leaded alter boy, and here we just have to lower down format. Let's hear. And then you add the effect slowly in the auxiliary track. And you can move down the pitch too. Then if you want, you can go back to microshift and adjust delay.